Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. This is for American crafts, and I know there have been a lot of videos showing the things that everybody purchased, but I just thought I'd join on the bandwagon and share with you now. I just got this today, and I couldn't believe how heavy the box was, and I was like, what did I order? So I haven't looked at everything. I just took it out of the box for us to review together. So let's see. First up, I bought these woodland stickers. They are layered, and this is from Maggie Holmes, the Woodland Grove. And I guess I liked them so much, I bought two. I really, really like this little floral here, that one there, and the frame. I have tons of butterflies, but that's a pretty butterfly too. So I'll try to incorporate it in a design. And then from the Moonlight Magic collection from Crepe Paper, I got this one. This has 40 pieces of ephemera. And I've been kind of using this lately, especially the florals, and they're really pretty. I'm not going to take them out because I'd have to undo the top part here, but I really like these. These are so pretty. I wish it was a whole bag of these. So once again, this is the Moonlight Magic, and these are the florals. And then from the Parasol collection from Maggie Holmes, I got these 378 stickers. Now, I like using these in my planner. These are way cheaper than designated planner stuff. But for me, these work out really well. I don't do a lot in my planner, but I like it to look cute. And so these are going to be great. And this is from the Parasol collection. And it has alphabets and some words. Now maybe the words I will use on cards, but they're pretty tiny. They could go really well on a Memdex or ATC. Really cute. And that's Parasol by Maggie Holmes. And then Forever Feels. This is the Maggie Holmes collection. Once again, these can be used in my planner as well as on cards or other maybe envelopes, you know, on the outside of envelopes. Really cute. Super special. Love this. And I bought two of those. I think the prices are so low that they encourage you to buy multiples. And then you have a bunch of stuff all of a sudden. Now I got these Vicky Bouton stickers. Once again, these could go on cards or also in my planner. It's a double-sided set. Super cute. Bought some thickers. And these are called shimmers. And these have gold and white, which is kind of pearlescent. And the one thing I don't like about thickers sometimes is how they get smashed. And as you can see there on my M, I won't be able to use that one. But I don't use these on things that I mail, most likely. These would be used on things that I'm creating that is, you know, I'm going to hand deliver or hand out at work or something like that. So, but you have to be really careful because they will bend easily. But these are adorable. I love the pearl. And then I got these. These are from Adventurous collection. And these are really different. They have a really pretty gold foiling on the letters. And then some of the letters have really cute little edges. As you can see on the A, you know, it's kind of like wavy. These are really pretty. I'm glad I should have gotten two of these. These are really, really pretty. I like those. And then I got these stickers. And these are really kind of like flat They're calling them thickers, but they're not like in the normal sense of thickers that we may be used to. They're super thin, so these can go on cards that you're mailing out without worrying about them getting crushed. And I just think they're cute with the layered colors and the shadow effect. And then you have and numbers too, which is cool. I really like these a lot. And these are from they're called Sweet Rush. Nice. And then from Vicki Boutin, this Bold and Bright. I think this is Vicki Boutin. Looks like her. Love this circle set here. And that is adorable. Banner. Oh, these are really nice. And they're foam, so they won't, I can't say for sure if they bend in the mail, but I would be comfortable using these. Look at that dance break at the top there. I hope I'm in camera. I'm trying to move them around so you can see them. Really cute. She has such vibrant things, and I'm pretty sure that's Vicki Boutin. Oh, I did get, oh, these are different. So these have like stitched, and it's almost like copper color. And these are called Gathered. Love the colors and love the faux stitching with the copper. And it's funny when you look at them, how like on the F, the stitching is at the bottom on this one, but it's barely hanging off on the top of this one. So, a little bit of quality control issues, but they are so sweet. And we got some. So those are the ephemera and stickers and everything else. And then, of course, I picked up some paper. And this is what made the box super heavy. I got this 25-pack of Sunny Days by Maggie Holmes. I really love this page. I don't know if I need 25 sheets of it, but I got it, and I hope to use a lot of it. It's really pretty paper. Love the background, and I love the flowers. And then on the opposite side are these little, not completely, you know, circles, a little abstract, but they'll work too. And then I picked up a couple of sheets of this Woodland Grove Maggie Holmes. It's foil pearlescence paper. It's really pretty, and it's thicker than I thought it would be. I hope you can see that. It's really pretty. And then I bought the sketchbook project pad by Be Valant, and I've already cut it open, but let's look at it. So one thing about these project pads is that you do get solid colored paper. So that's usually in the back to go along with the designs. Now look at, some of these designs are not like 100% up my alley, but I can drive down it a little bit. Like this one, that just is a little bit much for me. Like this one, look at that, that's cute. Love this one, that's fine. This one, not my favorite. Really won't use this in my designs. Like this is really pretty. Adorable for Easter. Love, 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 love. And then you get your numbers and alphabets, and then stickers. More stickers. You got some strips down here. Hope I'm in camera, in the frame. Then I got this Honey Blossom. It's from DCWV, and it is 36 sheets with gold foil. And it's called a premium stack. So let's look at this one. I'll turn it a little. It's hard to hold. This one's pretty thick. So we got the cut aparts, and this is double-sided, so I hope you can see the other side. Love this page. The stripes, and the light bulbs with florals in them. But I like the stripes better. I like this one. It's really pretty. like that. Yep, I like this pad. Not a fan of that. But I like the honeycomb look on the back, if you can see that. Yeah. And look at this, bees forever. Love. Love this page too. But then I like the flip side of it too. The Starry Nights. Nice. There's some, words. Really pretty. Man, this is a nice paper pad. I like that one. Whoa. Sorry. And then I let the black and white honeycomb here. And the bees. Oh. I mean, that kind of sucks that the honeycomb is on the other side of the pea paper. I like this stripe. This is okay. Oh, more bees. Bees, please. And this is like a hand holding like florals. That's pretty. Pretty. I seem like I've seen this in another paper pad that I have. And then I think that's it. Yep. So that's Honey Blossom by DCWV. And then the last one is vintage, including, it has full sheets. It's 36 sheets again. It's called the Premium Stack. And I haven't looked at this. I just cut it loose so I can show you guys. But online, this looks really nice. So let's see. Oh, I really like it. Ooh, pretty. Look at these cut aparts. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Oh, shoot. Kind of, yeah, like that. And they have this really pretty green on the back, but love that. And what I'll do is, I'll cut this out so that I can use it on a card and maybe, turn it this way. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out. Man, that's pretty. That's like so vintage looking, right? The colors. Oh, and look at this pretty foil on the back of this one. Wow. And this is kind of, I can't think what that looks, toile looking design. And look at those strawberries. Oh, that's so pretty. And then we have a whole page of like newspaper print. Really like it. Oh, look at this. Torn pieces. Oh my god. Wow, that's beautiful. Maybe I should have looked at this before I'm sharing it with you guys, because I want to stop and look at it so closely. Then we have this really pretty foiled. And then that's really pretty too. Oh, it's pretty. Kind of like cut aparts, but you can, they're not, the normal sizes. But look at the back. This paper pad so far, knocked it out of the park. Look at that. That's beautiful. I hope you get to see all of this in my shot. And then on the back side, it's like, old school newspaper ads. Just beautiful. Look at this. Okay, this is my favorite. I already know the orange. Beautiful. And then the little woodland scene. Horses and a kid and a man. Oh man, this paper pad is pretty. Oh man, look at that. The colors are so, and then the greenery is kind of scary looking. I like it though. And then look at that. And the ledger sheets, always popular. Man, I'm going so oh. I keep getting surprised by the paper. I'm sorry. And then my music sheet, and this is beautiful. Excuse me. Some cut aparts. Some oh man, look at that. And then this orange I love. And then look at this. Is that not beautiful? What am I going to do with that big pretty? Looks like a magnolia. Love, and a giant bee. Well, I am in love with this paper pad. This is Vintage by DCWV. And if you stuck around with me long enough, that's it. So thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And consider subscribing. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so very much. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.